My brothers and sisters, why did Allah create and establish halal and haram in the first place? What is the wisdom behind Allah prescribing for us, the world, permissible and impermissible things? Very simply, 3 reasons. Number 1, Allah wants to show us the actions and beliefs in how to connect with Him. How to establish a connection, a relationship with your Creator. So He told us, do this, don't do that. And you will feel and you will see your connection with me. Number 2, to guide us. To guide us in how we can live as a community. How to live in harmony. How to live a life that is consistent for all people. Muslim and non-Muslim. How to deal with life and be consistent as civilization, as humans on earth. And number 3, to keep away harm and misguidance from us. Allah made things that are forbidden because they are harmful to us, because they are bad for us. They are bad for our mind, our heart, spirituality, our body, our well-being, and harmful to others.